The Sons of Maestro, ladies and gentlemen. And once again, good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the American Airlines Arena in tonight's game, featuring the Minnesota Timberwolves and your Miami Heat. Now let's meet tonight's starting lineups. First, for the visiting Timberwolves, number 47, Andre Kirilenko. Number 42, Kevin Love. Number 14, Nikola Pekovic. Number 1, Alexei Shved. And number 13, Luke Rittenauer. And head coach of the Timberwolves is Rick Adelman.